Science is fun. We learn cool things every day. Today, we will learn about insects and other animals.
I am black and yellow. I have wings to help me fly. I have 2 antennae to help me sense things around me. I have 6 legs. I am an insect. I am a bee.
All insects have 3 pairs of segmented legs and 1 pair of antennae. Most insects also have 1 or 2 pairs of wings.
I have feathers to keep me warm. I have wings to help me fly. I have a long, hard beak and 2 legs. I am not an insect. I am a bird. I am a kookaburra and I eat insects. I have 3 body parts, a head, a thorax and an abdomen. I have a strong mouth to carry things. I have 6 legs. I am an insect. I am an ant.
Did you know that an ant can carry 50 times its own weight in its jaws?
I live underwater. I have gills to help me breathe. I have fins and a tail to help me swim. I have no legs. I am not an insect. I am a fish. I am a shark. I have wings to help me fly. My skeleton is on the outside. It keeps me safe from predators. I have 6 legs. I am an insect. I am a beetle.
Insects have their skeletons on the outside of their body. This is called an exoskeleton.
I have fur to keep me warm. I feed my puppies milk. My skeleton is on the inside. I have 4 legs. I am not an insect. I am a mammal. I am a dog. I look like a stick. This helps me to hide from predators. I have an exoskeleton that keeps me safe. I have 6 legs. I am an insect. I am a stick insect.
Stick insects use camouflage to blend in with twigs and branches to hide from predators.
Insects, mammals, birds and fishes. We are all animals.
Wow! Insects and other animals are cool, and so is science.